today I have a special unboxing of the Rolly Seaboard block Expressive keyboard. From the reviews I've seen, this thing is freaking awesome. So I really just wanted one, and we're just gonna open it up. I hear it feels like amazing when you touch down on it. Wow, okay, that feels really nice. So you got your starter kit here. Nice. You also have your charging cable, and of course a user manual. Ooh, stickers. Yes, this is going on my desk. So yeah, this is it. Oh wow. Gets these little connectors, so you can actually have smaller blocks hook up to this and they will play. I just love how this thing feels. It feels really gushy. It's like, I don't know, like slime-ish or...
I like turtles. Alright,
so what I'm doing here is downloading the Noise app. Oh, Apple. I think I forgot that I was recording at this point. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a great tool if you just want to experiment. Just get funky with it, go crazy, you know. But thanks for watching, you guys. Please subscribe to The Visual Samurai. See you later.